Hello and welcome. So today something a little bit different. I know I've done it several times before, but I'm actually going to do an abstract landscape with cup pours. So kind of thinking about the colours you put in the cup as you put them into how you kind of want your abstract landscape. But sometimes it's just a lucky dip to may come out how you envisaged and may not. So I've got these little cups and I'm going to start to load my colours in the cups how I think I want them to turn out on the canvas. And as you probably realise, like the first colour that you put into your cups will be the last colour out of the cups, because when you flip it over, unless you're actually pouring the cups yourself. So that's just a little bit of useless information, but anyway, on we go. So what I've added there is just some white. It's all the global paint mixed with my pouring medium, which is in the recipe in the drop down box underneath my videos. So I've poured white and I've poured wicker yellow, and this is a custom metallic blue that I mixed, which was white phthalo blue and silver, so it left that lovely metallic. Now back to the white again, so I'm just going to continue this, loading my little flip cups. Now that one's the cool blue or phthalo blue, it's called in very similar. And just continue on loading my cups, and I'll just jump in where I feel I need to. But this was quite a nice therapeutic, calming experience, I found. That one is turquoise mixed with a lot of white, I think, or unless it was I can't remember, because they were all colours that I'd had sitting there and done different pours with. I think it was yeah, just a pale blue. And that one is the cool red. Put some maybe hopefully that sort of ends up in my sky part of the abstract landscape part. So I've got some lovely champagne gold, which is a colour I just custom make, which is a 50% gold, 50% silver. And I have added some turquoise in there, as you can see, that I added previously. So this is burnt umber with a bit of silver in it and a little bit of black to send it a little bit darker. So that was just a little bit in there. And then I will, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm going to add a little bit more of the wicker to this. Obviously I felt that I needed to. Just putting what's left in my burnt umber cup on the bottom. Kind of remember, this will be upside down for you guys. I'm not that clever to do it, so it's facing you the right way and me the wrong way. But and then I'm just gonna just sort of set myself up for how I envisage this turning out. So I'm going to just put that on there, and using the offset spatula. flipping cups. It's the exciting part because you never know what you're going to get. So it's just pull those cups out, flip and lip, and see how we go with this. The exciting part, I find, and interesting. Just the gentle tilt now, trying to get sort of the colours where I want them to go and to look like that it's going to be a landscape, an abstract landscape. So I do actually like the colours and the way this was turning out. I think next time I'm not going to mess too much with my actual tilt afterwards. Just using a little bit of soft plastic file divider to do some swipes, but if I had that time again, I think I wouldn't even swipe it because that was quite nice as it was. I could still do my further detail on that without the swipe. So, you know, personally for me, I wish that I hadn't have gone on and done the swipes, but you'll see how I go on to further add detail to it even after it's dry. Okay, I am adding some further embellishments with the paddle pop, some sort of branches, some sort of shadowed branches there, just to give it some depth and definition, I guess. And then I will continue with those after the piece is dry to sort of just make them a little bit more detailed, I guess. So you can basically, you know, go for it and just do anything. So, alrighty, I do think I overworked it. I probably should have left lots of things in that I swiped over. Live and learn. I will try again and get something more detailed. I do add some further embellishments here, sort of creating like a fence line like a country type fence line. But again, when this is dry, I will go over those pieces and define them more, because the wet paint is just not giving enough detail. But it was nice fiddling. It was just really nice, just being quiet on my own, and then, you know, having a play with this. And you'll see that at the end I was quite pleased with how it turns out. So I really hope that you give this a go. It's just an easy abstract landscape. Lots of people are doing them and have certainly done them for years and years. So it is fun to try. As you know, we give everything a go on this channel. So there you go. So this is all I will do now till it's fully dried, and I will add the photos of just the dried embellishments, so you will see them now in the photo app of them hanging on the wall. See, I just added a bit more like embellishment to the rocks and to the fencing, and I did put a few birds in the sky, as you see there. So I was quite happy with that. I put a little bit of a moon. Yeah, I thought it was sweet. My husband really liked it, so there you go. I've given it as a gift to him. Okay, my lovelies, please take care, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye for now.